Hey guys, and welcome to the McCann house. This house is another classic 100-year-old house with really good bones. You'll notice as we walk through this that we've already started a lot of the remodel. Drywall's in place and ready to go up. The kitchen got a full gut job. It was actually much smaller, so we decided to take it all the way to the ceiling, remove the drop tiles, bring it out into the dining room, and put a bar peninsula. This bedroom had a drop ceiling as well. We went ahead and framed it in to give it a proper drywall ceiling. We added a Jack and Jill door to this bathroom so that you could have a walkthrough and turn the tub shower combo into what will soon be a full walk-in ceiling height tiled shower. The staircase on this unfortunately has missed a few treads since it was built, and since we're going to go through the house and lay vinyl plank down, we just decided to go ahead and go with vinyl plank treads. The upstairs has a nice little sitting area in the middle here. We're not going to do a whole lot with that, just leave that for the new owner. This bathroom upstairs needed to be completely gutted. Had a clawfoot tub sitting on one ceiling joist. And if you're not familiar with construction and framing and actual load bearing, that's not enough. So we're going to put a walk-in shower in there. Nothing too fancy happening up here in the bedrooms. Put new windows, paint the walls, fix the trim where necessary. Fresh vinyl plank up here as well. New light fixtures. Kind of cosmetics throughout. In this back bedroom, you're going to see some smoke damage on the walls. We actually went ahead and fixed that, but it was from a previous fire down in the kitchen. You can see when I turn to the left here that a lot of that actually came from the HVAC register in the room. So apparently the furnace was running when the fire was going. Definitely pulled it in and sucked it behind the paneling. Fired us crazy stuff. I'll show you the basement now. At one point this basement had been halfway finished. Had a couple bedrooms down here. We went ahead and tore out what was remaining and put in fresh rock, as a lot of it had mold and mildew on it. Took care of the water damage. We're going to fur out these walls and put rock on them. That way they actually look finished. Have a nice homey basement down there. And of course, our laundry space. And that wraps up the in-progress walkthrough on the McCann house. If you're interested in what the finished product looks like, make sure and subscribe and turn those notifications on, and we'll catch you on the next one.